Hello, welcome to BMW of West Springfield. My name is Zach, I am a product genius, and I am here today in the 2019 BMW X3 M40, here to tell you a little about the car. So if you walk over here, you notice that you do have the M blue brake calipers all around, which are very, very, very pretty. Moving into the interior, you do have the blue contrast stitching, the M40 accent, the M steering wheel. Under the hood, you do have a 3-liter inline-6 engine with a top speed of 155 miles an hour. This is perfect vehicle for your everyday needs, as well as if you like certain things like outdoor activities. Pop the trunk, you do have a good amount of space back here. Under here, you do have a little extra storage space as well for anything you might need to put under there. And these rear seats do fold down to give you even more access to anything like snowboarding or biking that you'd want to put in there. Now I'm going to start the car up for you guys and give you a little sound of the exhaust. With the sport features, it definitely offers a different, unique sound. Thank you so much for listening.